Well, wonders never cease. Our Allen and Heath SQ-Dante module has finally arrived. Yeah, let's do a quick unboxing. And yeah, just on the box we've got the FCC notice, part numbers, serial numbers, and details about the dimensions. I should say that the box weighs in at 333 grams with the card inside it. So we've got a quick manual and fitting instructions. It's really not that difficult. It's two screws and a lid. Fantastic. Oh, here we go. V3 SQ-Dante card. 64 channels by 64. So that will be that. There's a further bit of paper at the bottom here. Had your seat. Safety instructions. I'll be sure to read those. I've just been having a wee look around the card, kind of reading some of the components and such like. As you can see here, we've got the connector for the fan, but if we have a proper look, you can actually see it's not properly seated. So just have a wee look at your cards when yours arrive and just give it a little shove to get it all the way there. So